So on the way to Lacheng from Gangtok, around 1 hour travel, we have reached here a place called Seven Sisters Waterfall. To see the Seven Sisters Waterfall, we have to come through these places and we have to climb these steps. Then we will be able to see the remaining waterfalls. I have reached one viewpoint here. So finally I have reached the tallest point here. Here some chairs are arranged here for the visitors to sit and relax, because climbing the steps is not an easy job. So now you can see from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, and below 3 are there. So totally 7 sisters we can view from here. Seven Sisters Waterfall. Hope you enjoyed the virtual trip to the Seven Sisters Waterfall from this amazing viewpoint on the way to Lacheng in Sikkim, Bangkok. Thank you for watching.